This cream instantly nourished and smoothed day after day. Extracted from the daylily and silk tree, repairing and protecting them, and in doing so combating visible lines and loss of firmness. The skin becomes firmer. The package dimension of the product is 3L×3W×3H. Contains Amla, Shikakai, Ayurvedic, Botanicals, Pectin, plus Argan Abyssinian oils. Defines curls and minimizes frizz. This cream instantly nourished and smoothed day after day, the skin becomes firmer and visible lines are filled in. Extracted from the daylily and silk tree, repairing and protecting them, and in doing so combating visible lines and loss of firmness. Ingredients: Aqua, water, O, glycerin, betaine, hydroxyethylcellulose, xantham gum, Phyllanthus emblica, Amla, fruit extract, Acacia Concinna, Shikakai, fruit extract, Pectin, Argania, Spinosa kernel oil, Crambe, Abyssinica seed oil. Citric acid, Tocophenyl acetate, sodium benzoate, caprolol glycol, phenoxyethanol, fragrance, parfum, benzyl benzoate, linalool, alpha-isomethyl ion 1. Directions: Following cleansing, conditioning with natural textures, leave-in conditioner and detangling hair, but while hair is soaking wet, apply defining custard to small sections from root to end. Spray with water if hair begins to dry before finishing. Finger rake, comb through with a wide-toothed comb, shingle, or finger style. Air drying is recommended. You may use a lukewarm hood dryer if time or weather requires. Fluff, separate or arrange your coils to style, only after hair is thoroughly dry. Top reviews from the United States. Best. Recommend to buy. This was my first time trying this product. Currently, my hair is short to my shoulders and I have thick hair. I dye my hair black every month. My hair is wavy, but I was not able to get my waves back until this product. I tried using with wet and then less wet hair. It works with both, but the outcome is different. Because I like it wavier, now I dry my hair a little longer. I only need to slightly touch my fingers in the product, and this small amount is good for 1/3 of my bid head. Then, I repeat another 2 times to cover all my head. So little product you will need and so much good. It is amazing. You can use your fingers to enhance your curls without having to use blower, which I do not like using anyway because I do not want my gear looking dry. My hair is getting a wet look that does not look or feel oily. Not even your hands feel oily. This may last me a very long time.